Hey guys, welcome back. For me, working on this damn bandsaw axe. Hi. Hi. There. There. There we go. So, this video might be a tiny bit short. No, it's fucking not. Let's face it. But yeah, since that's gotta kind of be a slight problem, here's what we're gonna do. Go. Just leave that on the ground for now because that's not gonna hurt nothing. Actually, I'm wondering how this would work. Awesome, good. There. I'll stick it back in the residual heat of the forge. Should be able to quench it. There. Oh, sorry. So, All right, give me a second to shut my machine off, then I'm going to explain what's going on. All right. I think I missed my window of opportunity too. Which is fine, because that'll give that time to kind of set, for the wells to set and everything. So that's gonna be all right. I only have to wait probably an hour. But you know what? Oh, I saw a spark there. You know what? I'll let it temper in there, actually. I'll let it do a retemper. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that set in there. Let everything just normalize. Then probably in an hour or two, going to quench it, then retemper it. So that's going to be what's going to happen there. Sorry this video is so short. I got to kind of de-clean myself, or fresh myself and get myself ready for dinner date with the wife. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, sorry I couldn't quench it. I genuinely thought it had enough heat, but I just missed that window of opportunity. So as you can see, so it's not the biggest deal in the world, but it's just good to let it normalize first before quenching it, or else it could risk explosion, especially with it being a small layer count. So yay. This is going to be an interesting project. If this works, it'd be fucking fantastic. Alright, so like I said before, if you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have comments, man, it's going like how bad I am at doing this, I don't care. Or post it anyway. I kind of need a chuckle sometimes, you know? But yeah. Peace. Happy Thursday.